panguva ine VP Constantine Chiwenga kurongerwa, ationa VP Constantine Chiwenga is the only man atiri kuona kuti akamira pachokwadi and he is against zvigananda. Panguva ine tiri kuona kuti pane maclaims akunzi VP Constantine Chiwenga will be arrested. Zvaita kuti social media panguva ine iuye in chaos, people defending him vachiti why would you arrest him, aita sei. Zandapinda mashoko anobuda nyoka panguva ine achinzi VP Chiwenga arrested. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timina paenda citizen Sevanda ZW anomeka a post achinyora achiti the Chiwenga strategy is dead on arrival. The Bible won't cut it. He must act or rot in prison soon. Save this post. 2017 is the way to go. If you can't make, please run fast. Do a post in achitwa panguva ine imakomana achipost on the news the ZVAITWA. I'm going to count people commented on this post. What crime is he committed? VP is not going to jail if citizens are still alive. A sitting president or VP cannot be arrested. In your dreams, maybe Mnangagwa, not the general. We can never afford to take our independence for granted. When, by who, and for what? By who? Arrested by who? Arrested for what? That's when the take over will happen. Other ones will be in the diaspora soon. In your dreams, which is which, to be or and arrested. What developments that not people that defending general. Our VP Constantine Chiwenga won't be arrested. Kana ma citizens are going to they will defend him. But one to actually do pangato ZVAITWA take over ipapo. Pina comment section medu with mafunguro any more clip am soro bichi to bichi. Pina comment section medu, so subscribe or like, want you on the bell icon.